My name's Karen. I'm the Community Development Worker within the Rathgill area. I've been based in Rathgill for the past 20 years in the Community House in Rathgill Park. We would run programmes within the centre and sometimes we try to meet others' needs. The programmes we run within Rathgill would be the likes of Sure Start. We also have links with the likes of Women's Aid, Home Start, Housing Executive, Choice Housing and also Radius. Our centre is open most days of the week, Monday to Friday. Also, Bangor Alternatives would be based here as well, which would help facilitate mediation or any antisocial behaviour within the area. I became involved with Communities in Transition because I looked at the programme and I felt that when it went out to call that they were really listening to the community, which I thought was very important. We did attend most meetings to see what they were talking about and what was involved, and I thought, yes, this is needed for our community by speaking to other residents. The support that we've had has been great. Young and old coming in and wanting to make a change within communities. And I think, everyone needs to make a difference, and I think it's only us that can make a difference.
Well, I'm a member of the Bangor Neighbourhood Policing Team and I have been for about 15 years now. One of the main areas we would cover would be up in Rathgill. Rathgill is an area and I've worked closely with Karen for a long time, worked well together. Karen runs the house and has a number of different projects, and we're always very keen to get involved with the community as being part of the team, being a police officer but being a friendly face of a police officer. And that would entail Karen lifting the phone to me and saying, "Look, Keith, there's somebody here who wants to have a word with you, maybe about something where they don't feel comfortable coming down to the police station." And I'll come up here in uniform, I can come up in plain clothes and chat to people, both young and old. There is a number of schemes have gone on over the years involving young people. Sometimes it might just be the fact that they want us to turn up and have a chat. Sometimes we've been involved in securing some funding from different people in relation to providing activities. Simple things from a selection box at Christmas to we've held gaming nights, taking kids fishing, and what it really is it's breaking down the barriers between young and old, between being a police officer, but seeing that at the end of the day I'm a police officer, but I'm also a human being. I'm a father, I'm a husband, I live in the area, so I do see the young move on, and where it was the parents years ago, now it's their kids are coming through, and I find that it's very rewarding, and I try and make myself available as much as I can, both on and off duty.
With Communities in Transition, we have been involved with an OCN in community development, and I think sometimes we have to go back to go forwards and refresh our skills. Even though I did that in the past, I just think that I needed to learn again and go back. Over COVID, which played a big part within the Community Association and within the community, we continued to outreach work into the community. We did a lot of things through mental health. We put COVID packs out to every single resident within the community. We'd have got information on crime, community safety, mental health, and also counselling service. We felt that we were getting contact with people in need, and it was counselling that was coming in. So we now work with a group called ALPS, which is All Lives Are Precious. They're based in here on a Monday, and it's a free counselling service for the Rathgill community. Also through ALPS we have done some resilience training, which we thought it was beneficial for the community, and that was done through Communities in Transition. We find that our numbers are increasing, and this is another reason why we got involved with Bangor Community Food Bank. Because of our premises, we find that we can only take in maybe about 20 people at a time, and numbers are growing, so that is a great partnership working that we hope to be doing over in Bangor Community Food Bank. Even though they will be running the same services as us, it's about working in partnership, and I believe that partnership is the most important thing for all communities, and I definitely do believe that communities should be working in partnership. Over the 20 years that I have worked in community development, I've always been led by change, not by money, and I would stress that, I want to make a difference in somebody's life, and sometimes money hasn't been important to us. I could not thank the people that have come and supported us, the people that have come in and asked me, could I run this or run that? And if the community want it, I certainly would do it for them. 2020 and 21 has been a really difficult, hard situation for us. One, I lost my husband, who played a big part within the community. Gary, you know, we run a social economy, and unfortunately that had to stop. And I do feel that we should be paying tribute to Gary. And also Les Nelson, our chairperson, had died, and also Anna Kitson. So 2020 and 21 was extremely difficult, and I couldn't thank Tides Training and Bryson enough for giving us the support and trying to build our community up again, and especially the Community Association. We are in changes, and we hope to go out to call for members to come and help us and try and come and volunteer. And it's like we are here to support and just try and make a difference in each other's lives. And I think we can all bring something to the table. We can all bring change. And, you know, I just want to try and open people's eyes. Let's see a vision for our area and make it a safer community and empower each other. And let's make a difference, and let us be a great community, Rathgill.